Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage, and in today's video we're stopping that fucking annoying tapping sound on the Citroen. Let's go. But before I get into the video, don't forget to quickly just go down there, like, subscribe and comment a bit later on, not right now, but still comment at some point. So, doing something, I'm at full throttle right now, keeping it alive. Come on. This is the lowest revs ever. How low can your engine rev? That was like 100 RPMs. It was going boom, 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 boom. And that's 4 cylinders. That's like fucking 50 RPM. What the fuck just happened? Right. Definitely out of fuel. He's only gone and done it. He's only gone and bought some fuel for the Beast 1 and the Beast 2. Boom. So not only are they now both running together, but they're both running together smoothly. And the Citroen isn't smoking anymore. That much smoke instead. That is so gentle compared to what it was kicking out before. Before it was bellowing it out. He's loving the fresh fuel. 1.5 cans each. It's been a while since we've heard this thing, ain't it? Still sounding beautiful. They're still smoky as hell. At least this one doesn't smoke. But I'm just so glad I've got 2 runners now. 2 good runners as well. Right, so what I'm doing here is I'm doing the valve clearances, and to do that I need to take the rocker cover off. So, first things first, I need to undo nut there, which was 13mm, nut there, which was 13mm, nut there and nut there, both of those were 10mm. Remove all the washers from all of them. There's 2 washers per those, 1 washer per these. This washer here is stuck to my what's it called, rocker cover, so that's not coming off. That's fine. Now, after all that's removed, what you then need to remove is the dipstick holder, which I've just undone the bolt for a minute ago, and you can just gently bend that out of the way. Thought I dented my fender then, but I didn't. Gently bend that out of the way to show you access to this bolt here to undo, so you can get that off, which is the lift point, so you can get the rocker cover off as it hits against it. I'm going to Yay! Everything is coming undone so easily on this car. I think it was really, really well looked after. I can't even lie to you. Also, I should be buying a new gasket for this, but I'm not. It already seeps out, as I can see, but I'm just going to buy a new gasket at a later date. For now, I just want to stop the tap-in noise. If there's any minor leaks, that's fine. Right, now that's off. Alright, it's getting stuck on the threads now. I think I might need to lift it evenly. Oh, or this end might be a bit stuck. Probably because this washer. Let me try and get this washer off, guys. So currently, all the Golf's shitty smoky exhaust fumes are coming up right in my face whilst I'm trying to work. Which I ain't breathing in, so I'm not working for a minute. Until the wind changes direction. Which I think is the wind right now. Alright, I can keep working. Sweet. Right, so I finally got the rocker cover off, and I haven't tried to torch on anything yet. Oh, hands are all a bit filthy. So, this is the first I'm seeing of anything inside. First, let's look in the rocker cover. Ooh, lovely. Lovely. Ooh, that looks clean. Not fucking hell. Right, that one's pretty loose already. I'd have to be tapping, but yeah, that's pretty fucking loose. That's also pretty fucking loose. Also pretty loose. Alright. Tight, tight. So yeah, that's that. And then obviously, when we turn this fucker over...
Hey, gang gang.
Corona.
Got a case of Corona, G.
Oops. Right, so after all that bollocks, I've put everything back together now. After doing all the valve clearances, I'm just going to see if it still makes loud ass fucking tapping, knocking noise when I start it, yeah? So if it does, it means that's not the issue, because doing your valve clearances is free. You may as well check it anyway, yeah? So if it's not that, that means I've got another issue. Power is on. Let's turn it off. Turn it back on. Just make sure it's got fuel up there. It's way quieter. There's no loud knocking this time or anything. Yeah, should be right. Just sounds like an old engine now. I think I did alright there. So that's it. You've reached the end of the video. Here's a little clip of me and Sonny just working the other day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go down there, just share it, hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Peace, guys.